Stand by. Visual confirmed.
Roger, USS Tacoma. Be advised. Once entering Chinese water, we will go radio silent.
Understood. We will run. Langley, did you detect that audio? Can you confirm that was a whale?
Unknown. We're getting some tectonic plate readings. Possible earthquake. Be advised.
Langley, we have visual on an unknown substance. Looks to be an open gas vent. Can you course correct?
Negative. We can't avoid. Sealing our ports and filter intakes as a precaution. Tacoma, something is happening. Filters, they aren't working. Stand by.
Langley, you're breaking formation. Respond.
USS Texas. I mean Tacoma. I don't know. It's so dark.
Langley, respond. Mother of God.
The exact location where this incident occurred has not been determined. No trace of the USS Tacoma has been found. The aquatic entity SCP-3000 has not been located.